Welcome to my channel. Netgear Orbi 970 Series Quad Band Wi-Fi 7 Mesh Setup. Unbox and position the devices. The Orbi 970 system includes a main router and satellite extenders. Place the main router near your modem and connect it using the provided Ethernet cable. Position the satellites in different areas of your home for optimal coverage. Ensure they are within range of the main router for seamless communication. Power on the devices. Plug in the main router and wait for the LED to turn solid white or blue, indicating it's ready. Plug in the satellites and wait for their LEDs to turn solid white or blue as well. Download the Orbi app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. The app simplifies the setup process and allows you to manage your network, monitor connected devices, and configure advanced features. Connect the router to the internet. Open the Orbi app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the router to your modem. The app will guide you through setting up your internet connection, including detecting your ISP settings automatically. Sync the satellites. Once the router is connected, the app will prompt you to sync the satellites. Press the sync button on the router and then on each satellite. The LEDs on the satellites will blink and turn solid white or blue once the connection is established. Configure your network, create a Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Set up additional features like Netgear Armor for network security. The Orbi 970 system supports multi-link operation, MLO, which allows devices to connect to multiple bands simultaneously for faster speeds and lower latency. Thanks for watching.